Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Rome. Rome boasts an extensive network of buses, trams, and metro lines, making city exploration convenient. Understanding the ticketing system is key to smooth travel. Always remember to validate your ticket immediately after boarding any vehicle to avoid potential fines. This simple step ensures your journey is compliant and hassle-free, allowing you to focus on enjoying the eternal city's many wonders. Rome offers various ticket options to suit your travel needs. A basic single-ride B.I.T. ticket costs €1.50 and is valid for 100 minutes across all transport types. For longer stays, consider day passes, multi-day passes, or even weekly passes, which provide unlimited travel. You can easily purchase these tickets at any metro station, newsstand, or a designated tabaccery shop throughout the city, ensuring convenient access to your journeys. Rome's metro system features 3 distinct lines, A, B, and C, efficiently connecting many of the city's major attractions. For areas not served by the metro, the extensive bus network provides comprehensive coverage, reaching nearly every corner of Rome. To optimize your travel, utilize official transport apps to check real-time schedules and plan your routes effectively. This combination of metro and bus ensures you can reach your desired destinations with ease and minimal waiting. While using public transport in Rome, be aware that it can get quite crowded, particularly during peak hours and the busy tourist season. Always keep a close watch on your personal belongings, as pickpocketing can occur in congested areas. For shorter distances, consider walking. It is a wonderful way to immerse yourself in Rome's unique atmosphere and discover hidden gems. Enjoy your travels safely and make the most of your Roman adventure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.